The most luxurious and expensive golf cars in the world, 2025. Golf cars have evolved far beyond simple utility vehicles. Today, they are symbols of luxury, technology, and exclusivity. In 2025, the world's most elite golf cars combine high-end materials, cutting-edge tech, and bespoke customization. Here are some of the most luxurious and expensive models. 1. Guerilla Mansory Supersport GT. Price, $150,000 plus. This ultra-exclusive golf car, designed in collaboration with luxury tuner Mansory, features carbon fiber bodywork, hand-stitched leather seats, a built-in refrigerator, and a premium sound system. With a top speed of 50 miles per hour, it's as much a status symbol as it is a functional vehicle. 2. Bentley Golf Cart by Mulliner. Price, $120,000. Bentley's custom division, Mulliner, has crafted a limited edition golf car with the same opulence as their road cars. It features quilted leather, wood trim, ambient lighting, and even a champagne cooler. 3. Rolls-Royce Phantom Golf Cart. Price, $200,000 plus. A rare, custom-built model inspired by the Phantom sedan. This golf cart boasts a whisper-quiet electric motor, suicide doors, and a starlight headliner. Only a handful are made per year, making it the ultimate golfing status symbol. 4. Tesla Golf X. Price, $90,000. Tesla's entry into the luxury golf cart market includes autonomous driving features, a solar roof, and a massive touchscreen display. Its sleek, minimalist design and long battery life make it a favorite among tech-savvy golfers. 5. Mercedes-Benz EQS Golf Edition. Price, $110,000 with a design inspired by the EQS electric sedan. This golf cart features MBUX infotainment, adaptive suspension, and a panoramic glass roof. It's the perfect blend of performance and luxury. Final thoughts in 2025. Golf cars are no longer just for the course. They're high-tech, ultra-luxurious vehicles designed for the elite, with prices rivaling supercars. These models redefine what it means to travel in style on and off the green.